Today we are going to take a closer look at the COMAN MT68 light stand tripod. This was provided to me by the brand so I can show it to you. The collapse size of this item is about 18.5 inches, so it will fit in your backpack or your gear bag easily. Let me show you how this opens. On the bottom, you're going to see that there's a turn key here. You're going to simply turn it to unlock it. You're going to take the product, you're going to tap it on the counter. The bottom is open now at this point. In order to go ahead and lift it up to its many different levels, you will be using a series of tubes and twists. It's very quick. You can have this whole thing up in seconds. I'm going to go ahead and show you real quick how you'll collapse it from this point, and then we'll get over to the floor and show you the full height. So you want to go ahead and collapse this. You simply turn the lock and slide it up. Lock it like that and turn the lock back into place. And then you have your basic selfie stick or counter height type tripod. Now let's go ahead and unlock it again because it's worth noting how quickly that happens. We're going to unlock it. We're going to tap. It's going to open. You're there. Now we're going to use a series of twists and turns and locks to get this to its full height. I'm going to move over to the floor so you can see it better. There are a series of tubes and locks all the way up this pole. They're going to make this extend so much easier. You can see on the dials, there's an unlock and there's a lock on this position. We're going to go ahead and turn. We're going to turn and then lock. We're locking here, then we're going to move up. As we come further up, you're going to see the same thing will happen. There's a lock up here. We're going to undo it. We're going to twist it, and we're going to keep going all the way up. And then to lock it into place, you turn it, and then we're locked into place. Let's go higher. I'm 5'6". We have this pretty much extended all the way. That's how high this gets. I want to show you now the head, so I'm going to collapse it a bit so we can get a more workable view of it. But this is very sturdy and it will hold up to 11 pounds on the mount. Okay, I want to show you in a minute how the mount works with a light box, but let me just show you how easy this is to take back down. Twist, twist, and we're going to twist it one more time to get it back to a tabletop tripod size. Go ahead and lock that into place so it stays in that position. And we have it back to the normal size. Tripod is extremely easy to use, to extend, and to put away. If you're using it on the fly, you're gonna, once you get used to the twists and the turns, it's quite brilliant. Okay, so here before we attach anything, I'm gonna give you a view of the 1/4 inch mount. I want you to see here we have full tilt ability with this knob. And here with this knob, we have a 360-degree rotation capabilities, which is awesome. It's going to be smooth. I love that about it. Very smooth. Now, we're going to attach a light source and see how quickly that quick release and quick attach works. Last thing I want to show you is you can add a DSLR camera or a light source by using the 1/4 inch hardware attachment. I've simply placed it on this third-party light and it snaps right into place. So simple, so easy, so useful. Thank you to the brand and thanks for watching.